Hey everybody, this is a great new feature that Twitter has just added, and it gives us the ability to create a poll. So what a wonderful way to just sort of touch base with our audience and see what their thoughts are. So you can click the compose button, and then you can only do this from your phone, and you cannot attach a picture. So you could say, do you eat sandwiches? Which is your favorite? And then you'll notice the little pie chart icon. You click on that, and then you could say peanut butter jelly. And then I simply tweet it out, and it goes into my Twitter stream, and people will respond, and then we can look at the results like so. So here's one that I just tweeted out, and it says, do you feel like you use Twitter to its fullest potential to grow your business? So I already have one vote, and the person said no. So I'm going to look at tweet activity. So it's already had 80 impressions. I literally sent this out about 4 minutes ago, 4 engagements. So it's going to be fun to see how many people respond to this. So think about some surveys that you might be able to create to learn what your audience wants or needs from you.